What's up guys, Michael out here with Full Send University. If you're new to this channel, I'm just going to give you a rundown real quick of what we're all about. We're based here in Eastern Pennsylvania. We're a group of friends who just into a lot of different stuff. On this channel you see diesel trucks, snowmobiling, four-wheeling, a bunch of other crazy stuff we do here in the summertime. Today actually we're going to unveil the wheels we picked up in our last video from DURTYMAX Jack. And we're going to give a shout out again to DURTYMAX for showing us around his shop and selling us his wheels. But stay tuned and watch up, and if you're not, subscribe down below and give us a thumbs up.
Here at Full Send University, we abide by the law because we are law-abiding citizens. So in our 2017 Denali, we got to put this blue juice in it so that we can stay green and protect the environment. There we go.
Oh, there's the blue. There's the blue.
Where's the blue juice?
See the blue juice?
There she is. She's thirsty. She's about 2%, I think it said. Ooh.
Don't spill, that stuff's expensive. That's $9 a gallon, dude.
Look at it, it's water. It really is just water. All we're doing is putting water in it.
Here, I don't know.
Probably distilled like I used to do in chemistry class.
I don't know how much it's gonna take.
Yeah, right problem.
See all this bull up on here?
I can't see.
Whoa.
Am I in there?
No! The f are you doing?
I can't see. Give me it.
Give me it.
I'm up here. I'm up here. Right. No, give me it.
I got it.
Spill it.
Yeah. What's all going down the side of that, boys? Biffed it hard again. Like normal.
God. My God, I can piss faster than
Shut up. We're trying to see if it's going to take all of it.
It's going to. It's probably a 3-gallon tank. Look do you hear it? It's not even close to being full. Can't you hear it when you're like pumping fuel and it gets closer? Don't make that noise.
We're gonna get this thing started right now. We're gonna pull her out and then we're gonna show you the wheels. Oh, that's a little bit of stuff.
Hard here.
We don't really ask anymore with him.
I was giving a drum roll for the big startup. Nothing to start up.
What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the L5P Denali. Got Connor over here driving. We're gonna go get it washed up for you. Then we're gonna unveil the wheels, or maybe vice versa. I don't know. The thing is dirty. When we went to see DURTYMAX Jack, it rained a lot, so black doesn't look good with some rain spots on it. So we're gonna get it cleaned up for you right now. He doesn't talk much.
Go get him, brothers.
That's about all you're gonna get.
Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun, close to the sun. Something more, we won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
washing the truck over there. Brett said he's coming. He should be right here with his Ford. We're gonna get that on the channel for you. It'll be featured in other videos. Oh man, got the pit vipers on.
Oh yeah, always.
Oh, smooth, dude.
This guy is. Got polished park here, washing my truck. Just got done with Nali. Looks freaking great, by the way. This is a 13 F-350 Lariat. Nothing much to it, really. Tuned, deleted, 20x12, hot styles, box shocks. Ain't no Nali, but gets the job done.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. Surrounded by the night, we live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light.
What do you think? Here's my 17 Denali L5P rolling on DURTYMAX's 24x14 American Force Flux wheels with the Fury Off-Road 33, 14.5, 24 Country Hunter MTs. So you saw this truck take some rollers before. Now you can see it's a lot different. We got the bigger wheels and tires. We got paint matching done. Mirrors from our boys out at Peach Bottom Auto Body. You know him, that's where Jack takes all his stuff. We got the new mirror lights. We got it clearly dark, because that's the only way we run. We got the tinted tail lights, third brake light. That's pretty much it for right now, folks. We want to do some other stuff down the road, but tell me what you think. Oh, we did throw an 18 grill in it because, you know, we have to change it up on people.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore.
What's up, guys? That's where we're gonna end today's video. We got the baddest Denali in the valley right here. We got the baddest Powerstroke in the valley right here. We hope you liked today's video. The new wheels from DURTYMAX Jack are on the truck, looking mint. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a truck show this summer whenever this coronavirus is over with. See you. This? What do you think about this, Dill?
Oh, I think it's hilarious, but I don't know. These people don't think it's hilarious, though, stopping traffic. But oh, here comes another car. Yeah, honestly, people are supposed to be quarantined, and we here got everybody driving around. Oh, look at the puppies! Oh my God, a Newfoundland. It didn't stop.